Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into something super cool and fascinating called AI models. AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence, is all about making computers smart and helping them do things that humans can do. Let's explore this exciting world together. So, imagine you have a really smart friend who knows a lot about everything. They can answer your questions, help you find information, and even write amazing stories. Well, AI models are like those super smart friends, but they live inside computers. An AI model is a special computer program that learns how to think and make decisions, just like our brains do. But instead of learning by reading books or practicing, AI models learn by looking at lots and lots of examples. It's a bit like when we learn to ride a bike or play a game. We practice and get better, right? These AI models are especially good at understanding and working with language. They can read what we write or listen to what we say, and then they can give us answers or help us with things, and sometimes perform tasks beyond our imaginations. It's like having a conversation with a computer. But here's the interesting part. Before AI models can do all these amazing things, they need to be trained. It's like teaching a computer how to do tasks. We give them tons of examples, and they learn from those examples to become smarter. It's like when we learn how to ride a bike. We practice and get better at it. Once these AI models are trained, they can help us with all sorts of things. They can chat with us, answer our questions, help us find information on the internet, or even play games with us. It's like having a really clever assistant right at our fingertips. So, AI models are like our super smart friends inside computers. They learn from examples and help us with all kinds of tasks, especially those involving language. They can understand what we say, write stories, translate languages, and so much more. They're like our own personal geniuses. I hope that gives you a better understanding of AI models. They're pretty amazing, right? If you have any more questions or want to learn more about AI, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on this exciting AI journey. In our next video, we will be telling more about the AI models with examples, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.